Hello, my name is Paul Stipik, and welcome to the very first episode of A Leadership Journal. A leadership journal is for those that are on the go but want to grow. And what we do is we break down what we're learning from books, podcasts, speakers, and interviews, and we put it into easily understandable and applicable statements so that in 5 minutes or less, you can learn, apply, and start to refine your leadership. For the first 4 videos, we're going to be partnering with an organization called the Community of Supply Chain Professionals. It's an organization that I'm a part of, and so these first 4 videos are going to be more focused on supply chain logistics, and more specifically sales. But once we complete this first series, it's going to expand beyond supply chain and logistics, but still have the focus of leadership. And so, without further ado, let's get to the very first topic, which is how to make a sales call that's worth a damn to a shipper. So, how is it that you make a sales call that's worth a damn to a shipper? And just so you know, I'm the shipper. I'm the guy who receives hundreds of calls a month from people who just fail and bomb and just do an awful job. And so this video series is for you because I want you to succeed. I want you to do better at your job. I want to grow your business. I want to help you grow your company. And so that's what we're going to talk about today, how to make a sales call that's worth a damn to a shipper. 5 steps. Let's start with number 1, and that is listen. Listen. The first few seconds are so incredibly important of this call. Step number 2, don't use fillers. Not am, but. I'm talking about fillers that waste your time and mine. Just don't use them. Don't use ones like, hey, if you have a moment, I'd like to ask you a few questions. Awful. Step number 3, tell them what you're going to do. If Shakespeare can tell you at the beginning of a play like Romeo and Juliet and have you sit there for hours and still love what you just saw, I guarantee you can be doing some of the same stuff with your sales calls. Step number 4 is asking 4 to 5 questions. No more, but potentially less. And one of the videos is going to be just on this, so I'm really excited about it. And step number 5 is show them some respect. Let them hang up first. Simple as that. 5 steps. Listen. Don't use fillers. Tell them what you're going to do. Stick to 4 to 5 questions. And step number 5, show some respect and let them hang up first. Now, leave a comment down below of some things that you think you do really well in your sales calls. To say, you can let me know that this was great or this was awful by giving me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. But let's just be real. Let's show some positivity. Come on. But seriously, thumbs up if you liked the video. Leave a comment down below of what you thought and some things that you think you do really well in your sales calls. And I look forward to hearing and interacting with you guys later. Have a great day.